What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. Maybe about 4 months ago, I ordered some wheels for my 98. They finally arrived, so today we're finally gonna get to go and pick them up. It's snowing, but the truck's gotta get the wheels, so we're gonna go out there and get those picked up and installed today. We're gonna drop off the truck. Like I said in the earlier clip, it's a snowy day. The only reason I'm not just going to pick the wheels up and bringing them home and storing them in my garage is because I need to also get it aligned. Hopefully, when I go pick up the truck, it ain't hella snow. Hopefully it hadn't snowed that much and I can drive back home safely. Yeah, a long time coming. I've been waiting for these wheels. Stay tuned to the video so you can see what wheels I get. You're gonna like them. You're gonna like them. They're good looking wheels.
Skies are blue and the whole cloudy, and I try to find a better ground, but somehow you bring me down. I don't know what you've been looking for. You said it's on so much more than anyone was adore, and you should have figured this out by now. You play games, boy, Tetris block you out. You keep walking on my sunny day. Skies are blue, now the whole cloudy, and I try to find a better ground, but somehow you bring me down.
The truck looks good. The truck looks real good. I'm really happy with the tire and wheel I selected. I went with the 20 because I wanted to, it's my daily driver. I drive it every day, so I wanted it to be able to function and drive the way I want to drive it. So let me show you what we got going on here. Yeah, up in the front, I went with a 20x8, 245/40 R20s, Continentals. They ride smooth. Up in the back, I went with again 20x10 American Racing torque thrusts. They're also wrapped in Continentals, 275/40 R20s. Damn, look at that. Now it doesn't rub. It doesn't rub at all. It barely just clears in there, but no rub, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm really happy with them. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and hit the like button. So yeah, let me know what you think about the wheels, and hopefully we can get some more videos for you upcoming. We'll see you next time.